Greetings from Florida. We're working on a 17 to 20 Land Rover Discovery HSE and SE. This is the left front. The clip is at double speed. I'm going to show you what to take off. If you hear a crunching grinding sound or the glass falls down the channel, your regulator broke. I've taken some of these screws out before. I came over and locked the window up until I can get the part in. There's a screw there, and there's a screw on the bottom right there, which I already took out. So we're going to pop off that. That pops off, if I'm not mistaken, from the bottom. Let's see. I really don't remember. Nope. It comes off from the top and then hooks into the bottom. You've got two Torx 30 bolts there and there. And you've got three Torx 20. Upper left on the outside, bottom, and then right behind the silver pull handle. And I didn't take those out this time because I took them out last time. To remove the cable that goes to the handle, it comes right out, no big deal. And you only have one wiring harness to unplug at the bottom here. That's not too difficult either. Let's take out the speaker. Torx 25 maybe? I don't think they were 30s. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor, like the video, L-I-K-E, like the video. That'll help other people such as yourself find it on YouTube. If you'd like us to do this for you and you're in Tampa Bay or Minnesota, give us a call, Power Up Auto. We charge a lot, but we're worth it. And we're going to release the tension on that white cable holder. We're taking out all of the, again, I don't know if they were 25s or 30s, they're probably 25s, bolt screws that go all around the panel. Peel that back. Might be easier just to loosen those a bit. And again, I put a drill bit in there last time I was here to hold that in place until I can get the part screw in there. So just take that screw out and then the glass will fall down pretty quickly. Suction cup comes in handy. $2.99. Harbor Freight Tools. Good people. And so what you need to do now is pry the plastic brackets on the regulator away from the glass. Not that complicated. As you can see, didn't take much of it at all. You can just peel them off from the back and that'll release them and then you can raise the glass. What do we have there? Another screw? Something. Oh, the Torx bolts that go to the regulator. 5 of them. 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, 1 in the middle of that panel right next to where that speaker hole is. And let's take out the old one. You're probably going to be changing this with the motor. It's usually how they come. They're pretty easy. They're expensive from Land Rover, obviously, but they have them aftermarket online. Reach in, get any kind of shavings or metal out of there if you find any. There's the new one. Let's line it up correctly. Yeah, I don't think you want the cable to cross over itself, so have that right there. And then you're going to attach that white plastic pull piece that I showed you to the back of one of the cables. But first, let's put in a couple screws. just putting in the 4 screws, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, to hold the regulator in place. And there's one more, again, center of the panel that is right next to where that speaker hole is. So now what I'm doing is I'm reaching in to grab that white, I guess you can call it a retainer. It's that plastic piece that you attach to one of the cables and you can pull it through. Line it up, put a couple screws in. And there's that 5th one right there. You'll see it in a second. I also have the video for the right front on YouTube here, so if you need that one, you can find that. That's all secure. A little bit WD-40 both on the channels on the side and a little bit on the white brackets makes it easier to slam the glass in. I wouldn't slam it, but you should be able to put it down with a little bit of vim and vigor. I'm just turning the key on now so I can raise those brackets up a little bit, just to get them in the right place. Or lower them a little bit, I guess, as the case may be. Hey, be careful with that handle, that cable that I pulled out a minute ago. Make sure you pull that out properly. That goes into the handle. And I'm going to get these lined up into the brackets. And I didn't think that I had the one on the left in properly because there was a little bit of play to it. I did. It was anchored in there just fine. But I believe I took the whole thing apart again to take another look. You'll see in a second. Yep, I'm taking that off again because I did not think I had the left bracket in securely. I did. There was just a little bit of play in this regulator, which isn't that uncommon for an aftermarket part. So I took it out, took a look. Yep, it's connected. Just putting all those screws back in. Yeah, see that right there? I just grabbed. Make sure that you pull it out properly. That's going into the chrome handle that'll allow you to get out of the car. A couple times people being me, forgot that it wasn't on the outside of the panel, and I got the whole thing back together and realized I had to take it apart again. Put the speaker back in. Once again, if this is beneficial, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. You're welcome to subscribe if you like videos about power window repair, but I can't imagine that that's a big thing for you. I think we're good. I probably put the glass down. It's easier to get the cable back into the silver chrome with the glass down. Let's see. Nope, I think I just put it back together. And then we're just going to put the screws back in. I don't think you need me anymore. You seem to have this completely under control. I appreciate your watching. If you have any questions, ask right here on YouTube. I'll be glad to answer them. Good luck with it. Have a good day.